Ever wondered why some individuals seem to effortlessly climb the ladder of wealth while others struggle despite relentless effort? It's not just about working hard, but also about working smart. As we step into the new year, it's time to reassess our habits and identify those that might be holding us back. Today, we're diving into 9 habits you should consider quitting in 2024, a key to unlocking a wealthier, more successful version of yourself. Stay tuned to discover 9 habits to quit in 2024 to join the League of the Affluent. Firstly, it is essential to shift from time-bound earnings to mind-based earnings. If you're trading hours for dollars, your earning potential is capped by the number of hours in a day. This is linear growth. But what if you could earn even while you're sleeping or on vacation? This is the power of mind-based earnings. Your mind, with its ability to generate ideas and solve problems, has limitless potential. Consider creating scalable and repeatable sources of income. Maybe you're an expert in a certain field and you could create an online course. Perhaps you have a fascinating story to tell and you could write a book. These are avenues where your mind, not your time, is the primary source of revenue. The more value you provide to more people, the more you earn. Remember, your mind is your most valuable asset. Secondly, cleanliness and organization play a significant role in productivity. Imagine walking into a workspace that's clutter-free, where every item has its place. It's like a breath of fresh air, isn't it? A clean workspace isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's a productivity powerhouse. Studies show that a clean desk can increase productivity by an impressive 94%. Why? Because a cluttered workspace equals a cluttered mind. It's difficult to focus on the task at hand when you're surrounded by mess and disarray. It's also easy to lose important documents and waste valuable time searching for them. So, how can you maintain a clean workspace? It's simple. Start by decluttering your desk at the beginning of each day. Remove unnecessary items, organize your documents, and clean your equipment. At the end of the day, tidy up again. It's all about forming a habit. Start and end your day with a clean slate, literally. Thirdly, it's time to redefine your work ethic. You see, Parkinson's law states that work expands so as to fill the time available for its completion. This means that if you give yourself a week to complete a 2-hour task, then psychologically speaking, that task will increase in complexity and become more daunting so as to fill that week. It may not even fill the extra time with more work, but just with stress and tension about having to get it done. Now let's talk about the acrasia effect. Acrasia is the state of mind in which someone acts against their better judgment through weakness of will. This is where procrastination kicks in, but you can beat it by setting immediate realistic deadlines and breaking societal norms of delayed responses. You can overcome procrastination and boost your productivity. Remember, in the world of wealth creation, time is money. Don't let it slip away. Fourth, small distractions can cause big problems. Imagine this. A single paper cut might not seem like a big deal, but if you keep getting paper cuts over and over again, pretty soon you'll feel the sting. This is the paper cut problem. It refers to the small distractions that on their own might not seem significant, but when they accumulate, they can bleed away your productivity. So how do we prevent these metaphorical paper cuts? The answer lies in time blocking and focusing on significant tasks. Time blocking is simply scheduling dedicated time slots for your most important tasks, ensuring that you're not pulled away by minor distractions. It's about taking control of your time and concentrating on what truly matters. By doing this, you'll prevent those small distractions from building up and chipping away at your efficiency. So remember, keep your focus sharp and your efficiency high. Fifth, discipline is the key to consistent progress. Now, let's dive into the importance of discipline over motivation. Motivation is a fantastic Kickstarter. It's the spark that ignites the fire of ambition. But it's fleeting, it comes and goes like the wind. It's not reliable. On the other hand, discipline is constant. It's the fuel that keeps the fire burning, even when the initial spark of motivation has died down. Discipline is about doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. It's about staying the course, even when the road gets tough. It's about making the hard choices today that will lead to a better tomorrow. If you want to join the top 1%, you need to cultivate discipline. Motivation might get you started, but discipline will keep you going day in, day out. Remember, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Sixth, less is more when it comes to your objectives. Let's explore what's known as the 33% rule. This rule suggests that you should commit to only 3 main objectives each year and focus on them exclusively. It's about choosing quality over quantity and depth over breadth. By narrowing down your focus, you create space for immersion, innovation, and mastery. You might wonder, why just 3? Well, 3 is manageable yet challenging. It allows you to dedicate a third of your year to each goal, giving each one the time and attention it deserves. The beauty of the 33% rule is that it encourages long-term dedication, which can lead to significant life changes. It's about making fewer but more impactful choices. It's about being selective and intentional with your time and energy. Remember, scattering your efforts leads to mediocrity. Concentration leads to mastery. So focus on fewer goals for bigger results. Seventh, make your goals public. Now, this may seem counterintuitive. You might feel like keeping your goals to yourself, but there's power in social accountability. Let's dive into what that means. When you share your goals with others, you create a sense of obligation. Suddenly, it's not just about you anymore. You're now accountable to your friends, family, or social media followers. This added pressure can often be the push you need to stay on track. Think about it. It's easier to cancel plans with yourself than it is to let down someone else. The same principle applies here. When you declare your goals publicly, you're inviting others to hold you accountable. This can be a great motivator, especially on those days when your drive might be running low. Remember, it's not about seeking validation or approval from others. It's about harnessing the power of social accountability to fuel your own success. Let your commitment to your goals be your driving force. Eighth, your social circle is a reflection of you. This is a truth that's often overlooked, and it's time to bring it to the spotlight. The people you surround yourself with significantly shape your thoughts, your actions, and ultimately your success. If you're aiming for the stars, it's crucial to surround yourself with individuals who are not just dreaming big, but are actively chasing their aspirations. These are the people who will inspire you, challenge you, and push you to grow. They will not allow you to settle for mediocrity. They won't let you become complacent. Instead, they will keep you on your toes, always striving for more. Every now and then, take a step back and assess your social circle. Are they propelling you forward or holding you back? Are they influencing your mindset positively or negatively? If it's the latter, in each case, it may be time for a change. Surround yourself with those who inspire growth. That's the secret to evolving your social circle to your benefit. Lastly, prioritize tasks that directly contribute to your goals. We've all been there, getting caught up in the whirlwind of emails, messages, and daily to-dos, only to realize by the end of the day that we haven't made any substantial progress towards our main objectives. Here's the secret: not all tasks are created equal. Some have the power to propel us forward, while others merely keep us busy. The key to effective prioritization is identifying these high-impact tasks and focusing our energy on them, particularly at the start of the day. Why the start of the day, you ask? Well, our minds are at their freshest and most creative in the morning. By tackling these important tasks first, we can ensure they receive our best effort and attention, and it's not just about getting things done, it's about getting the right things done. Remember, what you do first thing in the morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. So, there you have it. We've traversed through 9 transformative habits to cease in 2024. From shifting your earnings mindset, maintaining a clean workspace, to prioritizing important tasks, these changes are your key to unlocking greater wealth and success. It's about discipline over motivation, focusing on a few significant goals, and evolving your social circle. Remember, the path to wealth is a journey, not a sprint. Start implementing these changes today and watch your wealth grow in 2024 and beyond.